Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's solve the 10th question in exercise 7.2. So f dash of x is given as 4x cubed minus 6. F0 is equal to 3 and they're asking us to find what is f of x. First, let's understand this notation of f dash of x. F dash of x is nothing but f of x after undergoing differentiation. This is how you write it. So in order to get back f of x, you should be integrating what is f dash of x. So this is a reason because integration is the reverse or converse of differentiation. So here, in order to get f of x, let's integrate. So what is f dash of x? It is 4x cubed minus 6 dx. So let's do the integration. So this will be 4x power 4 by 4 minus 6x plus c. So on simplification, it is just x power 4 minus 6x plus c. So this is f of x. Now what is given to us is f of 0. So let's substitute here because we need to find out what is the value of c. Only then we will be able to give the complete f of x. So let's do this. So f of 0 is equal to 3, which is nothing but 0 power 4 minus 6 into 0 plus c. So essentially, on simplification, we get c is equal to 3. So now let's write what is f of x. So f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 6x plus 3. Whatever was the value of c you found, you just substitute it in this particular expression. Thereby, we get the value of f of x. In the next video, we will see solution from exercise 7.3. See you in the next video. Bye.